Hello guys, welcome to day 8. Today we have the question called remove element. It is asked by many companies like Amazon, Apple and Google. It is very simple question. In this question, they given one array and they given one value. We remove the value from the array. We return the count of the remaining elements and we update the array without values. That means in the input one they given 3 2 2 3 and the value given 3. We remove the 3 and remaining count is 2 2, that is 2. We print the remaining count and also we do update the array. That means we remove the elements 3 3 and we update the only 2 2 and we update the array like 2 with starting with 0 index. That means array start with 0 index without the value element. I hope you understand the question. It is very simple. If you did not get the answer, I will explain. And coming to solution part, first we create a one variable, count variable, because we return the count variable, and we count the value did not match with the element. That means, for example, I iterate from 0th index to nums dot length. One second, what nums dot length and I plus plus. Here we did not consider the 3 value, so I written one if loop nums dot I is not equal to value. When the ith value is not equal to value, then we increment the count. We return the count. But we have another step also. Here we update the nums, update the array. So I update the array with count index with I nums of I. I think you understand. I will explain. If the suppose I is starting from 3 and 3 is not, it did not go to this loop and it goes to 2. 2 is not equal to 3, so it's I verify the if condition is true. Here 0th index going equal to the true. That means on the 0th index of the num is returned to 2 and count is incremented. This is the logic of the question. It is very simple. And we just return the count. And we print the question. Okay, one second. Here count. Sorry, here I will change C. It takes some time. Yeah, it accepted and we can submit here. Yeah, nice. Oh, this is for day 8 and thank you.